Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation focuses on DTC P101A, which indicates a variable valve timing control VTC B advanced malfunction in the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. The variable valve timing system optimizes engine performance by adjusting the timing of the intake and exhaust valves. If abnormal conditions are detected, such as a retarded exhaust camshaft phase angle that exceeds a predefined commanded value, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, stores the DTC P101A. This situation can lead to reduced engine efficiency, increased emissions, and potential engine performance issues. Proper diagnosis is critical to restoring normal function, ensuring the engine runs smoothly, and preventing further complications. This guide will step through a comprehensive troubleshooting process. DTC P101A specifically pertains to a malfunction in the variable valve timing control system, particularly at the VTC actuator B. The VTC is essential for managing the timing of the camshafts, which helps enhance engine performance and fuel efficiency. Located within the engine assembly, the VTC oil control solenoid valve B regulates oil flow to the VTC system, while the VTC actuator B is responsible for adjusting the camshaft timing based on engine demands. Both components are positioned adjacent to the camshaft assemblies, involving connections to oil supply lines. The PCM continually evaluates input from these components to ensure optimal engine function. If discrepancies arise, such as excessive phase angles, the DTC is triggered, indicating a need for investigation and potential repairs. The primary triggers for DTC P101A can be categorized into potential mechanical and electrical failures. A malfunction in the VTC oil control solenoid valves B leads to inadequate oil flow regulation. This may stem from stoppages or wear that alters its performance. VTC actuator B can also have similar issues. It may fail mechanically or become disconnected, preventing it from adjusting the camshaft timing effectively. Furthermore, clogged oil passages in the VTC system can impede oil circulation, causing abnormal readings in the camshaft phase angles. Each of these issues can compound, leading to a significant loss in engine performance and efficiency. Thoroughly inspecting these components is essential in diagnosing the root cause of DTC P101A. Multiple symptoms may indicate the presence of DTC P101A. Drivers may notice a decline in engine performance, expressed through sluggish acceleration or overall power loss. Additionally, the vehicle might encounter difficulties in maintaining optimal engine speeds. Increased emissions may also be present as the VTC system fails to optimize combustion, which can lead to environmental and regulatory concerns. Crucially, the DTC indicator light may illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to the underlying issue. These symptoms not only impact driving comfort, but can also lead to more severe mechanical issues if left unresolved. Addressing these symptoms promptly is vital to maintaining vehicle integrity and performance. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P101A involves starting the engine. This initial action allows the PCM to register live data from the engine systems, including the VTC function. Observing the engine idle and its general performance at startup can provide crucial insights into the operational state of the variable valve timing system. During this phase, one should pay careful attention to any irregularities in engine behavior, particularly concerning abnormal sounds or stalling. Additionally, during a cold start, the PCM will attempt to engage the VTC control systems to promote smooth operation. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for subsequent diagnostic evaluations. In the second step, inspecting the VTC system oil passage is imperative. This inspection aims to ascertain whether any debris or clogs might be obstructing oil flow, which is essential for the proper functioning of the VTC system. The technician should visually examine the oil passages for any signs of contamination or blockages that could lead to inadequate oil circulation. It's crucial to note that even minor obstructions can result in variances in camshaft timing. If debris is discovered, it must be removed, and the passages should be cleaned to restore normal oil flow. Should the passage appear clear but issues persist, further investigation into the VTC components may be necessary. This step is vital to ensure that oil passages uphold the hydraulic pressure needed for optimal VTC operation. After completing all necessary repairs and inspections for DTC P101A, the final repair verification process begins. First, it's essential to recheck the DTC codes stored in the PCM to ensure that the fault has been cleared and no other issues are present. Any lingering codes could indicate incomplete diagnostics or the need for additional attention on components. After confirming that the DTC P101A is resolved, engine performance should be tested to ensure that conditions are restored to optimal levels. Observing standard operating behavior during acceleration and idling will validate the effectiveness of the repair work. This step finalizes the troubleshooting process, ensuring the vehicle has regained full operational efficiency. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P101A. Regular oil changes ensure that the VTC system remains lubricated with clean oil, reducing the risk of debris buildup within the passages. It is advisable to follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals and use quality oil products that meet specifications. Additionally, periodic inspections of the VTC components, such as the VTC oil control solenoid and actuators, can catch early signs of wear or malfunction. Checking these components allows for early intervention before major failures occur, maintaining the integrity of the VTC system. For vehicle owners, committing to these preventive measures not only preserves engine functionality, but also enhances the longevity of the vehicle. In conclusion, troubleshooting and understanding DTC P101A is crucial for maintaining the performance of the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. The variable valve timing system significantly impacts engine efficiency and response. Hence, identifying issues swiftly is essential. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, from starting the engine, inspecting oil passages, and verifying repairs, technicians and owners can efficiently address the causes of DTC P101A. Recognizing possible symptoms early on also allows for proactive measures before more serious faults develop. Emphasizing preventive maintenance strategies will further support the overall health of the engine's VTC system, ensuring long-term reliability and optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.